Vaisaulu pool.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Simon.
Was this the hook kid?
Mike, can you take one?
Yeah.
Doing a washing.
I don't want to jump into you. Once again, stuck glass. No.
This guy.
This is good. Yeah. Yeah.
I reckon I can jump in. You can. From the
Stay.
So watch out for the piranhas, they might bite. Imagine if the turtles were here, they would be so cool. Yeah. Then there'll be $10 to swim with them now. Oh, you see, $10 to swim with them?
Foul. Turn around.
Just put your head right under.
This is as far as I can go.
They just blow. Come and show me which spot it is. You can see it. You see the big gap down? Yeah.
For what?
The gap that you blow into and then all the bubbles come out of the
Where
rock.
about is it?
What's he doing?
Oh.
There's heaps of holes underneath here which just make bubbles and stuff.
Where do you blow?
We need to make new blow holes.
You put the head right under the rock.
Imagine if there were blow holes.
You just put your head under, there's nothing to blow in, it's just you blow as soon as your head goes under there. You record me?
I think there's a hole there.
No, one of those. Hi Mike. Last time I watched this when we were back in New Zealand, we had a long time.
Oh, you're there, Tom.
Help! Help! No, we didn't know
Little
you could
ones.
feel fishes like
This is the one over here.
yeah, there's that one under here.
Dude, and I'm gonna go get my
See, try it. Yeah. Oh, you just blew it for ages.
Special for you guys. Watching for games.
No, it's just got a little black thing. Yeah. Oh, you mean your cup?
Who's bleeding?
What about mine?
Hurry up.
Say. Huh? You got me. You got me good. Oh, that's pretty big book.